Hey guys, this is official. The Samsung Galaxy S10's first official teaser is here. On February 28th, Samsung will be announced its 10th anniversary Galaxies, which includes the S10 Lite, the S10 Edge, the S10 Plus, and then the most powerful, the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus 5G. And not only this, at that day, we'll see a full look of the foldable Galaxy Fold all in one, all at the very same day, which is indeed going to be the 10th anniversary special event. Now before I talked about the teaser message, let's talk about a mistake. So Samsung has accidentally leaked the design of the Galaxy S10 with this punch hole camera on the right, but now they removed this image, but the good Redditor named QGDX spotted the S10 images with this bezel-less design. Now back to the teaser. As you can see, this is a tease of the design of Galaxy, and it's actually a side look of the S10 family with this curved edges, which we already know, but in this teaser it has no side bezels at all, and number 0 here from the number 10 confirming the infinity double display of the S10 Plus, and this number 10 also confirms that the 10th anniversary flagship from Samsung is indeed going to be called as the Samsung Galaxy S10, because as we heard in the past that Samsung might change the naming scheme of their 10th anniversary flagship from S10 to a Galaxy X or Galaxy 10, but thankfully this is indeed going to be called as the Samsung Galaxy S10. Also, as you can see in this teaser, like how the O is a part of two displays with two different colors, because Samsung is expected to reveal the foldable phone in its full glory on February 20th at San Francisco. And the reason why Samsung is unveiling the foldable phone early, a week before at MWC 2019, because Huawei is going to unveil their foldable phone at MWC this year. So this year we'll see a lot of foldable phones from different companies, but the competition between Huawei and Samsung is going to be pretty amazing, not only just on foldable phones but also in a lot of different things. So to win the race, they are going to reveal their foldable phone early. Also, according to Korea Herald, a prototype of the foldable phone of Galaxy was actually shown off behind closed doors recently at CES 2019 to some of the company's key partners. And speaking with a high-ranking executive from one of the Samsung's customers, it has been revealed that the South Korean giant is currently applying the finishing touches to the Galaxy Fold's hardware and software, and the foldable phone is significantly thinner when fully opened, according to same executive. However, it isn't two things when folded. In fact, the added thickness reportedly allows for a stable grip. The Samsung Galaxy Fold is expected to feature triple rear cameras, same as the Galaxy S10 family, and according to Wall Street Journal, the foldable phone of Samsung will rock dual 3100 mAh battery. So total of 6200 mAh battery are on the inside of the foldable Galaxy F. And as for the Samsung Galaxy S10 series, in the S10 Lite we'll see a 3100 mAh battery, in the S10 Edge we'll see a 3500 mAh battery, while the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus will rock 4000 mAh battery. And despite having a bigger battery, the S10 Plus will be the Samsung's thinnest phone since 2016, which is just 7.8mm. And not only this, according to Galaxy Club, the Beyond X, aka the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus 5G variant, will most likely be having a massive 5000 mAh battery. Yes, 5000 mAh battery, because the phone is actually very big and it also has support for 5G. So this type of bigger battery is definitely expected here. And as I said earlier, the S10 family might use graphene battery, but no, this is not going to be happen. Maybe with the Note 10, but at this point in time this is not going to be happening. So this is all about the Samsung Galaxy S10 and the foldable phone of Samsung. This year Samsung is going to offer their best, not only just on flagship but also in a mid-range and budget section. So let me know, are you guys excited for the upcoming 10th anniversary event? And yeah, make sure to subscribe for all the upcoming leaks about it. And yeah, see you soon.